John, you're absolutely amazing.
Tools and techniques proven to work in high levels of real estate, business, finance, and the entertainment industry that can help you unlock your inner gifts and tap into your deeper levels of creativity and problem solving.
I'm here with Michael Baker, principal founding member of the Breath Center.
What you just explained to us just blew me away. You really told us how to tune in, tap in, turn on, I guess you could say, and have that pure connection where we can solve all our problems.
So today we're going to work on two simple things here. One is we are going to work on your message to market.
So that from there you can design your desires into true vision.
Well, you've had a certain amount of success with this. You came to me and we got into discussion over your need to basically monetize this better and to create a more comprehensive system.
Deploy that vision as opportunities and strategies and develop them into businesses and careers.
We're going to actually gather some footage, and it's going to also, I think, help you clarify your core message.
Okay.
That can help you uncork your creative gene.
This is your key elements. So this is what you mentioned as your passion, and why don't you just go down the list and spend a moment on each one. And there is a sequence of very organized steps to lead you through the process. When in your site, I've done some research. You offer people purpose, become a more clear and powerful instrument that can be used by the universe, that they can use for their own benefits and for the benefit of the world. And to me, it seems that a lot of people are interested in being more powerful and being able to convey their purpose and be aligned with their purpose, because without finding this, they can't express their value.
Yeah, very much so. Yeah, I like that.
Align the 3-month to be the front end of the 9-month so that you can convert seamlessly the 3-month practitioners into being 9-month practitioners.
Very much. Or to create a month that encompasses the whole 9 months.
A quick start. You know, one of the things that we're going to spend time on is really defining the benefits from the processes, because the benefits are what are attractive to the people you want to engage. And so being able to convert the process, understand the benefit, and then deliver that message of the benefits to your target markets is super key.
To help you make your life a more authentic and full representation of who you really are.
How are those messages delivered? Right, so we're videotaping right now. So do you think it would be very handy to be able to, for instance, if people ask, what do you do? That you pull up your smartphone, you click a button, you give them this, and they watch a 2-minute movie?
Oh yeah, of course.
About what you're doing with testimonials.
Sure.
You send out emails that have links to movies. Anyone who comes in contact with you and gives you the email starts getting autoresponder videos. Right? You have an entire automated process. One of the things that Joel Bauer's system encompasses, and Joel is an absolute avatar master in these realms and in many realms, but Joel has worked out a system which is proven and guaranteed and absolutely has worked for so many people, where not only do they generate tremendous revenue, as much as they really want, but they do it with very low overhead. So when you're starting off, and even if you're continuing, one of the strategies generally is to keep your load light. Someone's already paying for those communities. Someone's already paying for the clinics, right? And so if you have the content that goes into these places, then you're not in competition with them, and they all become your potential customers. For instance, your closing process, your application, and your converter mechanisms to take those people that are at this event next week and engage them.
Yes.
And then having your first few autoresponders set up,
Yes.
your initial materials to engage them and get them going, so that you don't lose the people who are interested in what you have to offer.
That's why I asked you.
Does that sound good?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so I think one of the things we want to look at is also who the market is and how can you expand it. What kind of groups could potentially benefit from this?
John, I'd just like to thank you for sharing this really tactical information that I can use in my company, which is called Strategic Action, so that I can actually help my clients who are technology entrepreneurs.
Because it's your material.
Right.
And by bringing out this material, it clarifies your message, it clarifies your offering, and the value, the tangible value and perceived value that your audience will want to engage with. And streaming modules that can be both subscription, paid for on DVD, and they can also be turned into autoresponders for marketing.
John, is a sales and motivational training. Let me tell you, you've hit the heart of the whole problem.
And so the book is actually, it's like a business card. It's a marketing tool. It gives you credibility, it gives you notoriety, and it establishes you more as an expert.
I learned an easy, fast way to look very deep inside of myself and find the answers to the biggest problems I face.
They all make referrals on whatever projects they bring into the fold. It worked like a champ. And they right away they got the Newport Jazz Festival. We got them a 300,000 square foot building for free that we built. We got 2 years of free time. It was in foreclosure, the Light Steamship building in New Orleans, and we had it built out with sound studios, photography centers, and then I think also your brand development. I mean, I think the Breast Center, my initial reaction to it is that it's a really solid central core concept. It's a very valuable URL. You would never want to get rid of it. However, it may be that there's additional branches on your branding that might be more appropriate for specific causes.
You broke it down so simple that I actually tried it, and I feel so aware of what's happening around me. I feel so in control that I can do absolutely anything. Your technique is amazing. I will recommend anybody to you. Thank you so much.